Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see what is Java, what are classes, what are objects and what are methods. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share with your friends. Firstly, we will see what is Java. So Java, it is a high level programming language. It was originally developed by Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. It was developed by James Gosling and his team. Java is an object-oriented and secure programming language. So everything in Java is in the form of objects and classes. We need to create objects and we need to create classes also. Okay. Third is Java runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Mac OS and various versions of Unix. Next we will see what are objects. So object, an entity that has state and behavior, it is known as an object. Examples are chair, bike, marker, pen, table, etc. So, any real world entity is an object. Everything that is in the real world, means if persons are in the real world, persons are in the real world, we can say that are objects. Okay, so persons, dog, any living thing, or any chair, bike, marker, dog, these are physical or logical objects. Physical objects are the objects which we can touch, and logical objects are the objects which we cannot touch. Tangible and intangible, we can say. If we consider dog as an object, so it has a state. State is breed, age, color. This is state of the dog. And behaviors are eat, run, bark. These are the behaviors of dog, means the functions which it is performing. So we will see next what are classes. Okay, so a class is a group of objects which have common properties. So firstly we have to create a template or blueprint from which we will create objects. So class is it is a template, or we can say blueprint, from which objects will be created. So what does class contain? Class contain fields, class contain methods, class contain constructors, class contain another nested class in it. So this is all about classes. So one by one we will see how objects are created and how classes are created. Firstly we will see how class is created. So class is created by the syntax. The syntax is access specifier, class, keyword and then the name of the class, then open brace and then body of the class. So what does class contain? Class can contain these things, fields, methods, it can contain these things. So we will see the example. We have created a class dog. In this the fields are, means states are breed, age, color, and attributes are barking, hungry and sleeping. So this we have created a class. Okay, next we will see how we can create an object. So in Java the new keyword is used to create new objects. Actually there are three steps for creating an object from a class. First is declaration, second is instantiation and third is initialization. So in declaration, as we create variable, we can create object also. Instantiation, the new keyword is used to create the object. We will see in detail. Initialization, the new keyword is followed by a call to a constructor. This call initializes the new object. So we will see in detail about this. So first is declaration. This is when you state to the program that there will be an object of a certain type. So what we will do, we will specify the name of the class here. The name of the class is dog. And what is my dog? My dog is the name of the object. So we are giving the instruction that we are creating an object of class type dog. Next, instantiation actually memory is allocated for an object, while declaration it is considered as null. So here what new keyword does, it allocates memory, and in initialization it will do the call to the constructor. So example is of instantiation and initialization is my dog equals to new dog. Okay, now we'll see about methods. What are methods? So methods are used to perform certain actions, and they are also known as functions. Anything we need to perform, that for example we have to print something, so we can consider that it will be included in that particular method. Any action we need to perform, we'll include in that particular method. So what are advantages? We can reuse that code, we can define the code once and use it many times. So this is the advantage of using methods. Then a method must be declared within a class. It is defined with the name of the method followed by parenthesis. Okay, so example is class dog public void eat system.out.println I am eating. So the class is created, and then method name eat is included in that method. What it is doing, it is just printing I am eating. So this is all about methods. Thank you.